Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taryn, this is King, and this is the Gnar garden. He hates this. Do you hate this? King and I are trying this new thing where we attempt to be morning people. It's not going great, but we have our coffee in my I'm only a morning person on Christmas mug that I love. And we have a package from Burpee Seed Company that we want to open together. Okay. Burpee just had their end of the season 50% off sale on their entire website. So I went through and it was some work finding things that were still in stock, but that's like kind of the whole point of that sale, is so they can clear out all their 2021 seeds in preparation for 2022. So you didn't know if something was sold out until you went to the items page. Like it didn't say it. Like if you went to like the, you know, sunflower page, it didn't show you which ones they had in stock. You had to click each one. That's fine. I was able to add things to my wish list while I shopped. So yeah, I thought we could open this together. Right, King? Cool. Oh, this is a lot of seeds. I went a little bananas. King, stop. We're not even gonna look at this. All right, you need to go. Come on. So the difference between when you buy Burpee seeds from Burpee, like from the website, versus when you buy them in a store is the packages don't have like any pictures on them. Oh my. So that's one thing, like if you like to have seed packets with pictures on them, then this might not be the way. Okay, this is not anything you're gonna want. These are seeds. So I'll show you what I got. Oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. King, go sit down. We'll start with the big one. I got Kentucky Wonder pole beans. So if you've watched any of my, actually I don't even know if they're on here, but I did some garden tours and I showed my cattle panel trellis that I grew melons on this year. And so I think since that was such a success, we're gonna get some more and we're gonna do a whole line of them for all sorts of stuff, like beans and stuff. So I got those. Little flowers. I got some sage, of course, because, you know, herb garden, and some parsley. Oh wow, I didn't realize I got so many flowers. I got dill. I use a ton of dill, and I use dill in both when I pickle cucumbers and when I make vegan potato salad, which I go through phases where I make it like every other day and then I don't make it for months, but it's cool to have some dill on hand. Oftentimes it's sold out at my grocery store, so I got some basil. We go through a ton of basil too. Oh my god. I really bought a lot of flowers, which I didn't realize. I already said that. Hold on. I got some long, slim, red cayenne hot peppers. I grew probably 15 different peppers varieties this year and had success with, I'd say 90% of them. A couple of plants that I bought gave me nothing. So that was a bummer, but I mean, statistically I did well. So yeah, so I got some cayenne hot peppers. I've been saving seeds too, so I only bought, well, I'll probably buy more, but I have seeds from everything I grew. I bought a few tomatoes, 3 of which are heirloom. one is a hybrid. I'm pretty sure, no, maybe I'm wrong. I was gonna say I'm pretty sure that the reason like these are like in a black and these are green is because these are the heirloom, but I could be wrong. So this is just a, I don't even know. I've never really, I just kind of grabbed them. Mr. Stripey, I wish I had a picture I would show you. Maybe I can like throw one in the corner here. These are really cool looking. Caspian pink, mortgage lifter. How do you say that? Tell me how to say that. So I got those. Obviously I'm gonna get more tomatoes. These were 50% off. So I grew mortgage lifters last year. I don't think I got any, to be honest. Okay. The rest are flowers, which I don't know. Maybe that's silly because I've never had a ton of luck growing flowers. That's not true. Last year, I actually had a lot of luck, to be honest, growing flowers from seed, which was surprising because in the past I haven't. But last year from Burpee, I got these Petunia Seeds. They were very expensive. I think I paid $6 for like a dozen seeds or 15 seeds. And they were awesome. They were so beautiful. So maybe I won't show you all of these, but I'll show you some. These are all sunflowers. Because I love sunflowers. I never did before. I don't know why I do now. Maybe because I grow mammoth sunflowers every year and have so much success with them, which is really nice. So I got a green hybrid, Treasure Mountain hybrid, Italian white sunflower, Crimson Blaze, Tiger Eye, and Zeus. I also got some marigolds, which I've never grown from seed. I usually buy them, but I love marigolds. I used to like, I don't want to say hate, but I think I hated them. The smell I didn't appreciate, but when I was younger, I would go to my grandmom's house and I would help her plant her garden. And she would always get like really basic flowers from like the local nursery. Nothing special, but we would plant them together, and she always did marigolds. So I got a few different kinds that I've never really seen, so that was kind of cool. And then I also got I can't find it now. Anyway, so the marigolds, I got 3 different varieties. I'll probably still buy some more just because these are ones I don't really know. These are like a yellow gold. These are red, yellow, and gold. They're called Happy Days. And these are orange. I got zinnias. I had a lot of success growing zinnias last year from seed, so I got more in different colors. So these are red and yellow. These are raspberry lemonade, which makes me think also red and yellow. And these are just a mixed color, but they have a more ruffled petal, so that's kind of cool. I got cornflowers, morning glories, got some cosmos, some vinca called tattoo papaya. I probably bought that for the name, to be honest. Whatever. I got some blue star columbine. I got some foxglove. I got a lot of flowers. But yeah, so Burpee is in Warminster, PA, which is like, I guess the town that like both my parents are from. So it's not far from here, which is cool. So it's like a local seed company. I mean, they're huge. You know, you can buy them like in all the big department stores, hardware department stores, not like Bloomingdale's. Maybe you can, I don't know. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to share my seeds with you. That sounded weird. My nephew always watches like toy unboxing videos, so I thought this would be fun. I don't know, maybe it was. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye.